as the saying goes, if you educate one, you educate the village. Professor Christina Okechukwu teaches at Montgomery College in the U.S. state of Maryland. She is a Nigerian working in the U.S., but whose heart is in her native country. She runs the Inwell Center in Enugu to help young girls who leave school without marketable skills. But what motivated her to start the center?
I felt that if I empower one of them, it becomes a multiplier effect. If it's within a family, that family will now start learning from one of them. Like the girl that's now a chemical engineer. She's been able to influence her other sisters to also toe the line and go to school.
Widowed early, she was left with 3 young children whose future she often worried about. She hoped if anything happened to her, others would step up and give her children an education. That worry was her wake-up call, which started the ball rolling.
When you have gotten your own skill, so that one, they are not forced to go into marriage, chase too early and face violence against women. And I will tell you, the girls that started it, some of them now are chemical engineers.
And they
is a Nigerian non-profit, non-governmental organization whose mission is to alleviate the difficulty faced by indigent youths and women who want to improve their lot by assisting them to get the remedial education needed to enter a higher institution and by helping them acquire computer and job skills that will enable them work and earn money to be able to go to school at the same time.
Inwell Study and Resource Center is a place where young people, especially adolescent girls, are given their job skills, life skills, and the remedial classes they need to move on in life. If they want to go to university, this is where we help them to start passing JAMB and passing their exams. But before they go to that university, we give them that skill that will be used to generate money as they are in the university. That way, they will use it to either pay school fees, or if they have somebody paying their school fees, buy the little things girls need.
Platform for scholars to visit the center and share their knowledge with the students, teachers, and other members of the community.
So here in Bhutan, actually by going to my school, I can boast of many things. I've learned mathematics and I've done